Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create simple to-do list using React. So let's get started. So first, let's set up our development environment. You will need Node.js. If you don't have Node.js, you can download it from nodejs.org. Now open your terminal, press Ctrl plus backtick and run one command, which is npm create white at the rate latest. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. If you want to create your project in same directory, just press dot and enter. Choose your framework, React, Javascript, and run these two commands, npm I. If you want to clear your terminal, just press cls and enter. And start your project, npm run dev. It will start your project localhost. So our React app is running now. So let's add an input box. When input box placeholder will be enter a task, and also add one button. Whenever we will click on button, so our task will be add button, add task. Output, let's style them. Input, padding will be 10 pixel. Width will be 200 pixel. Let's style button. Padding will be same 10 pixel, and margin left 10 pixel. So our output now. Now it's time to give functionality to our React app. Go to app.jsx file. Make two state. One is const task set task useState, and the second one is const to dos, where our all task will be saved. To dos equal to useState. Make it array. Now write a functionality to add task. Const add task equals to arrow function, and if task dot trim not equal to empty string, then set to do this is our spread operator, and task. and we will make our set task empty. Now add onChange function in input field onChange e equals to arrow function set task e dot target dot value. So whenever we will enter something in input field, add in task state and value will be task. Add button on click, add task. Now we can enter a task and add it to the list. Next, let's show our task below the button. UL curly braces to do dot map item and index li and item key will be index eating sleeping dot css file. Write ul list style none, padding will be 0, li tag background gray, margin 10 pixel, width 250 pixel, padding 2 pixel, 10 pixel. And that's it. We just built a simple to-do list app with React. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.